Welcome to the AI Revolution, where we explore the future of artificial intelligence and its impact on our lives. In today's video, we're diving into something that's on everyone's mind: how AI is changing the future of work. Will robots take over our jobs? Or will AI create new opportunities for us? Stay tuned as we explore the shocking truth about AI's impact on the job market and the careers of tomorrow. If you're curious about the future of work and how AI could affect you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the AI revolution. 1. The rise of automation. What jobs will be replaced? Artificial intelligence is already reshaping industries and, in many cases, replacing human jobs. But don't panic just yet. While some jobs are at risk, others are evolving. Automation is now a reality, and it's affecting industries from retail to manufacturing and even transportation. Let's talk about the jobs most likely to be replaced by AI. Think about roles that involve repetitive tasks, like cashier jobs, warehouse positions, or basic customer service roles. With robots and AI systems taking over these tasks, there's no need for humans to do the heavy lifting anymore. For instance, self-checkout systems are replacing cashiers, and AI-powered chatbots are handling customer inquiries 24/7. In fact, some companies are even using AI to answer technical support questions, freeing up human workers to handle more complex issues. But what does this mean for us? Does this signal the end of human jobs in certain fields, or is it just the beginning of a transformation? We're seeing a shift where machines take care of the routine, allowing humans to focus on the strategic and creative aspects of their work. 2. The new wave of jobs. How AI is creating opportunities. Now, here's the exciting part. AI isn't just about taking jobs away, it's also creating entirely new opportunities. As automation takes over more mundane tasks, it opens up space for more specialized, high-level jobs that only humans can do. For example, the rise of AI technology is creating a massive demand for AI specialists, data scientists, machine learning engineers, and algorithm trainers. These are roles that didn't exist a few decades ago. The need for experts who can develop, manage, and maintain AI systems is growing rapidly, with businesses across every sector scrambling to hire people with these skills. As AI continues to improve, roles in AI ethics, cybersecurity, and data privacy are also becoming more prominent. AI is also giving rise to entirely new industries, such as digital ethics, a field dedicated to ensuring that AI technologies are developed and used responsibly. People who specialize in this area will be responsible for overseeing the fairness and safety of AI systems, making sure they don't cause harm or discrimination. As AI algorithms become more complex, AI auditors and ethics consultants will become indispensable to companies looking to ensure their AI systems are fair and transparent. The future of work is not about being replaced by machines. It's about upskilling and pivoting into new areas where human creativity and expertise are still irreplaceable. 3. The hybrid workforce, humans and AI, working together. Here's something fascinating to consider. The future of work isn't just AI replacing jobs. It's about humans and AI working together. Instead of completely replacing workers, AI will serve as a powerful tool to augment human capabilities. Think of it like having a supercharged assistant. Imagine you're an architect and you're designing a new building. With AI's help, you can instantly analyze countless designs, materials, and environmental data to find the most efficient and sustainable options. Or picture a doctor using AI-powered diagnostic tools to make more accurate decisions for their patients. AI won't replace these jobs. It will make them more effective, more efficient, and more rewarding. The key here is adaptation, learning to work alongside AI, using its capabilities to your advantage. In fact, businesses that integrate AI into their operations are seeing higher productivity and innovation levels. For example, AI-powered platforms can help marketers personalize content and target the right audience, while allowing creative professionals to focus on what they do best: innovating. The future of work is hybrid. where human creativity and intuition combine with AI's speed and precision to achieve breakthroughs we never thought possible. 4. Preparing for the future. How to stay relevant in the AI job market. As AI continues to reshape the job market, one question remains. How can you prepare for the future of work? It's all about upskilling and adapting. The most valuable workers in the AI-driven future will be those who are ready to learn new skills and pivot into emerging fields. Start by investing in learning technical skills like programming, data analysis, or machine learning. Online platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer a wealth of courses to help you stay ahead of the curve. And don't forget about soft skills. AI might take over routine tasks, but it can't replicate creativity, emotional intelligence, or leadership. Developing a blend of technical expertise and emotional intelligence will make you a sought-after professional in the AI era. Additionally, consider getting involved in industries that are AI-powered, like healthcare, fintech, or tech development. These sectors will continue to grow and evolve with AI, creating high-demand job opportunities that are perfect for those with the right skills. The more you learn, the more you'll become an asset in this ever-evolving landscape. The future belongs to those who prepare today. 5. Embracing the change. AI's impact on work-life balance. One of the unexpected benefits of AI is its potential to improve our work-life balance. By automating repetitive tasks, AI gives workers more time to focus on creative and strategic work. It also allows for greater flexibility in where and when we work. In the future, AI-driven tools could help professionals manage their time more efficiently, suggesting the best time to focus on specific tasks, reminding you to take breaks when your productivity drops, and even helping you manage personal and professional commitments in a way that enhances both your career and your life outside of work. This could lead to a future where AI doesn't just improve how we work, but also how we live. Imagine having more time for family, friends, hobbies, and personal projects, all thanks to the time saved by AI automation. As we've seen, AI is not just a force that replaces jobs. It's a driving force that's creating new careers, transforming industries, and empowering us to work smarter, not harder. But the key to thriving in this future is embracing change, learning new skills, and adapting to the opportunities that AI will continue to create. The world of work is changing rapidly, and those who understand AI's potential and harness it to their advantage will lead the charge in the next revolution. If you want to stay ahead in the AI revolution, now's the time to start learning and preparing for the future. If you enjoyed this video and want more content about AI and its impact on our lives, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We'll see you in the next video. Don't let the AI revolution pass you by. Join us here at the AI Revolution to stay informed, learn, and thrive in the future of work.